Today, we'll be exploring an abandoned furniture liquidation store. In 2007, it looked like the store was selling mostly mattresses and normal household furniture. Around 2013, the inside of the store was cleared out and was up for lease. By 2014, the windows were covered and there were signs saying the store moved to a new location. In 2016, more furniture was moved back along with a must sell all sign at the front of the store. But that is the last time it seemed the property was touched. As of 2026, the building sits vacant and unrecognizable from the day it closed. The fuck did they need a golf cart for? It's just a cart in the back.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. They have a great selection.
It's really weird how they have like a bunch of freezers and stuff and whatnot. Just lined up.
It's a furniture storeroom, but it's kind of,
They probably started using it for storage at some point for other stuff.
yeah,
It's like,
they're
look at
probably
that.
selling them, yeah. It's just insane that they wouldn't take these, because these are expensive as fuck.
What the hell was that?
That sounded terrifying.
I'm curious.
What?
I just walked into a spider web.
Oh, there's a basement, dude. Wow.
Dude, that sounds like the torture basement. That's literally coming from the basement.
What the fuck? Is that a fucking pretzel, dude?
Yo.
What is that thing made out of?
Pretzel. Well, that's like, have you ever seen what a Big Mac looks like after a year of sitting out?
Yeah.
Basically the same thing. Is there no office here or anything?
I don't know.
Or like some kind of front desk?
I have a small suspicion that they might still use this.
You think? I really don't like the sounds coming out of the basement.
I feel like that's coming from the ceiling.
It was like echoing in the basement though.
Dude, how much fucking shit do they have?
It's such a random selection of shit, which is what's making me think it's probably just storage. There's no way they were selling this stuff when it was open.
Yeah, it's really weird. Oh, look. This whole thing got flooded.
Yeah, looks like it. Smells like it. Some guy just comes running out and stabs us with like 6 heroin needles.
6 or 7 years, probably. Cool little guys.
I don't know what that is even, but they look cool.
Yeah, that's weird. Wow, look at these fucking chairs. Covered in mold.
Should I look at?
Yeah. Piss jug. Dude. I can't even tell what that was.
Is there bones?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Maybe a raccoon. Something.
Yeah, I could tell.
Biohazard, no.
Did someone say burger?
A nothing burger. Only $2 for a wrap.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Yeah, I don't even want to walk over here.
There's not really anything interesting down there.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
I think it's just a fan spinning.
Oh, you're right.
Dude, that was
That scared the
terrifying.
shit out of me.
What'd you find?
There's some like vintage Christmas ornaments.
Oh.
Oh, that sounds cute. Little Kit Kat.
There's more freezers. Dude. They probably went out of business because they bought so many fucking freezers.
That's what I was thinking. Dude, they have on the freezers 2 Monster drinks for $4.
Wow.
One of them is like $4 now.
This room is sick though.
I like the lamb on the wall.
Where?
I think that's a lamb.
Yeah, it is. Do you want an Amazon gift card?
That's not even where the gift cards are. It's just the display showing where they're supposed to be placed.
Temporarily out of stock. I'm retarded.